Hey guys, it's Sierra here with JB's Power Center. Today I wanted to show you this 1970 Dodge Charger that we did some audio upgrades on today. This customer brought the car to us because he wanted the convenience of a modern stereo, but he didn't want to sacrifice the factory look. We ended up using a really cool Kenwood piece, which is a 4-channel amplifier with a Bluetooth controller, which eliminates the use of a head unit. Basically what that means is we can keep the factory 8-track player in the car while still having the modern convenience of Bluetooth. I'll give you a demo of what the factory 8-track player sounds like. And now here's the Kenwood system. This compact 4-channel amplifier from Kenwood was the perfect solution for this customer who wanted to keep his factory 8-track player but have the convenience of Bluetooth. If you're interested in getting your classic car outfitted with something like this, make sure to stop by one of our JB's locations or feel free to check it out on our website at jbspowercenter.com.